What up with it? I'm your host, Uncle Mark, aka Foodie Sumo, and you are tuned into the Foodie Sumo channel where I bring you foodie reviews and video recipes. Before we get to it, I'm gonna need you to go ahead and hit that like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, leave some commentary, and most importantly, share these videos. Let's get everybody in on the fun, you feel me? With that out of the way, let's get to the bag.
Get into the bag, huh? Get into the bag, get into the bag. Don't mean to brag, but I'm getting to the bag, huh? Get into the bag, get into the bag. Don't mean to brag, but I'm getting to the bag, huh?
I got the bag. Oh yeah, that's right. Another one of those nondescript bags that don't indicate what's in there, but I promise you, there's a tasty treat in that one. Today I'm going to be reviewing Caribbean Delight. Caribbean Delight is a local to the Cleveland area, southeast, Jamaican joint, Jamaican carryout joint, serving up all your favorites, your oxtails, your curry chicken, your jerk chicken, all of that good stuff. But today I'm gonna be reviewing this curry goat. So you know the drill. I ain't gonna hold up the line. Let's see what they got in this bag for me today, man. Yep. All right, utensils. All right, so this one is gonna be a hard one for me to show, but let's see if I can get you a good money shot here. Oh yeah. Okay, you see the curry goat right there. You see the steamed cabbage, and underneath that curry goat is the rice and peas, my friend. So let me see what this is talking about. All right, there's that goat. Oh yeah. Very well seasoned. That goat is nice and tender, man. Got a little heat to it, man. A little fire in there, Joe. Yes, sir. And that cabbage. See if we can get down here and get some of this rice. About it here. Stuff is in the way. There's that rice. Yeah. All good, man. Everything perfectly seasoned. Man, this is what a meal's supposed to taste like, man. Is that perfectly seasoned? Everything tasting as it should be. Like I said, that curry goat got a little spice to it. And the chunks of goat, nice, tender, juicy, succulent, flavorful. The curry sauce is nice and flavorful, man. Real deep, rich curry flavor, man. That's a good meal. Yes, indeed. Is it rice? Yeah, this is a good meal, man. Man, I'm gonna end up eating that whole thing on y'all on this video. So let me go ahead and ease up on y'all. And my verdict is definitely a thumbs up. Some of the best Jamaican in the area. There's a few more around. Let me see if I can find some time to go review those, but Caribbean Delight, local joint. Like I said, southeast area. Always. Never disappoints, man. They never disappoint. So that's my verdict. Great meal. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up. Let y'all get back to y'all day so I can get back to my meal. You feel me? Uncle Mark Signing off to the next video. It's on.